External SSDs get more impressive every year. A high-performance drive compatible with everything from your phone to your Xbox to your laptop, and it's small enough to fit into my pocket? I mean, have you seen how small these pockets are? Let's see how far this little powerhouse can go. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and this week we're focusing on all the many ways you can use your external SSD. External SSDs are Superman speed leaps and bounds faster than external hard drives, which makes them significantly more efficient when transferring files like high-res images, game libraries, and video files. Drives like Kingston's XS2000 external SSD are typically more compact and rugged than hard disk drives as well, which is why they're perfect for transporting in pockets or bags. They care less about bumps, drops, even minor spills. They're also designed to be plug and play, unlike other formats where you need to download drivers or run into compatibility issues. External SSDs serve well as additional wings of your expanding gaming library. PC gamers are particularly well served by this. PlayStation and Xbox gamers can also use external SSDs to store games, but take note, you can store any game you wish on this drive, but you can only run games from the previous console generation off your external. A great tip is to transfer less regularly played PS5 or Xbox Series X/S games out to the external drive to make room for new installs on the console's internal storage. Other uses include transporting documents, presentations, and project files for business, organizing media libraries, or storing video for editing. Photographers can back up raw image files. Content creators or freelancers that might be hopping between different systems and juggling multiple projects can carry the tools of their trade on an external SSD, so it's easy to get to work at any workstation. Now, if you're hopping between workstations and handling sensitive files, keep it secret, keep it safe. The Kingston IronKey VP80ES offers hardware encryption with added auto lock feature that adds security while the drive's idle. Perfect for those traveling with drives or working in shared spaces such as photographers, videographers, and other creative professionals seeking secure portable storage. To really get the most out of your SSD, there are a few easy tips to follow. Try to keep at least 10 to 15% of your drive free and only use the fastest, high-quality cables to keep those speeds top tier. Always keep your firmware updated via the manufacturer's website and safely remove hardware before ejecting. External SSDs are pretty great. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or simply someone seeking extra storage, the combo of speed, portability, and security grants the freedom to work, play, and create from anywhere. How do you use yours? Let us know in the comments, and I will see you next time with another DIY in 5.